All right, good everyone. It's this Biz Expert Online again. Um, this time around, I'm bringing good news to you for a number of you guys that have really been looking into learning one tech skills or the other. You've been thinking of, okay, where do you want to start from? You don't know anything about coding. You know, you've been seeing a lot of probably other folks, doing exceptionally well. But I would like you to note, technology is the way forward of the future. A lot of people have actually been asking, okay, how do they go about it and all that? It has always been a concern in my mind as well too, that, oh, how can one actually, navigate into the tech skills and all that tech industry itself. Of course, for a number of you guys that have a dream of shifting career, you know, and all that, I bring in good news of an organization. Of course, as you guys can see on my screen, Tech Extra Mile, that you can go into there and you have scholarship of different tech skills you can do. I started mine around September. I'm going to show you now and see. Of course, I paused it a little bit because of some other things I'm doing, but I just resume it back. But I believe it would be nice of me coming around and show you guys, and you take advantage of it. Now, to acquire tech skill is quite very enormous. It's quite very expensive to go into it. So if you see any scholarship, try as much as possible, take advantage of it so that you'll be able to have an advantage over it, and you make an edge with it. So quickly, without wasting more time, let's go right over into it. Tech Extra My, as you guys can see, the cell, in the carousel. Let's see. Okay, yes, and this iTech Sister Community, the 2022 Google Career Certificate Scholarship application are now closed. But listen, all spots for the 2022-2023 cohort has been filled, so please visit us again in January 2023 for our reopening announcement. That's the reason I'm here. Of course, I got to know this last year, but I deliberately decided to hold until January when the opening for the scholarship will be announced again. So how do you navigate into it? You come to the scholarship here, you see Google Career Certificate Scholarship. These are different programs you can go into. For a number of you guys that want to do, IT support, you can go into that. Data analytics, that's what I'm actually looking into doing. Once I'm done with the present one I'm doing, we have project management, we have IT automation with Python. That is very essential. If truly you want to go into tech industry, please try as much as possible. Take advantage of all this right now. Presently now, I'm in user experience, which is UX design, because this one is more or less like the foundation of every business venture. Remember that business is all about customer, business is all about users, user end, because it is what the user actually talks about your product, that you know whether it is doing very well in the market or not. So that's one of the major reasons I actually took it to this. Let me click on that because that's what I'm doing. And let's see how it's opened. You can see there's a user experience design professional certificate. And what really happened is Tech Extras actually go in line, in partnership with Google. They now use platform Coursera to actually do that. So this is how about it. Says focus on interaction that users have with products like website app, physical objects, and blah 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 blah. We just talk about that. But now you can see that it says apply. Now very soon this application wouldn't be there again. So you can as well quickly apply on there if that's you want to do. If you don't want to do it that, let's say probably you want to go into Python, IT automation, you come down as well to and you click on it. You can see about now, like I said, I'm presently running on user experience, like I told you the other time. So I'll just go right away to my platform. This is where I am presently. Of course, you can see Now I haven't actually been able to, complete that, but in I'm presently in um, okay, as I was saying, so that's just there. So that's where I am presently. I'm in stage five. Let me quickly go back here and just show you what I'm trying to say. Now is in seven phases, seven courses. I'm done with these. I've done the second one, I've done the third one, I've done the fourth one. So presently now I'm in course number five. So once I'm done with these down to seven, I'll be able to go to other ones. But now I'm presently in number five. So as you guys can see, let me just from there say introduction to course number five. Can you see? So I'm in week number one there, week one. So I'm presently here, work with type in mop-ups. So if I'm able to complete that, of course, I'll be given the certificate, I'll be certified, and from there go into an internship and have some experiences in order for me to build some real life, portfolio that I can start using. So I just thought of, it would be nice of me to come around, show you guys opportunity that you guys can really go into right now, that can actually change your life forever. There is no course, there is no knowledge that you acquire that is lost, whether you like it or not. I remember when I started way back then that some of my friends are actually doing going into music. I was like, what's music all about? Why are you guys doing music? I joined them and I know the advantages that I've actually gotten from there. So I'm encouraging you guys. Now we are in the era of information. Try as much as possible, learn as much as you can. These are the potential jobs that you can get under the one I'm doing right now. So anyone that you're passionate about, if it's IT support, going to data analytics, project management, IT automation with Python, UX experience design, go into it, and at the end of the day, you will so much appreciate yourself doing that. So transport has also go into it, and I want to believe, with this, you should be able to, have a very good and successful year ahead, 2023. If you can do this, you will really so much, appreciate it. Thanks and God bless. I want to believe at least this will help one or two of you guys on my channel into improving yourself and probably adding more to, the catalog of your knowledge. Thanks and God bless. Bye for now.